What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a little bit. Sorry about that. Haven't had a lot of time for the car recently, so getting back into it. To catch you up, I got to pull the seats in order to get to all the bolts for the body, in order to get the body off the frame, so I can get a full access to the driveline. So today we're gonna be looking at pulling the seats. Last time we were in on this, the seat studs were stripping out, so it's actually Phillips head bolts that go down into threaded nuts in the floor. So I can't get to the backside to cut them off, so I'm gonna have to drill them out from the top side, which is kind of unfortunate. I'm gonna give it one more go to see if I can get it to pop with a flathead. If I can't, then we're going to the drills. So see what happens. That's not working. Alright, we're free. Seats are out. I keep hitting my head on that roof. Still pretty solid wood on the bottom. Runs are pretty clean. Got to redo the upholstery. Passenger side one's a little bit more rough, but the springs are all there. Hopefully I don't bring a mouse into the house. These are going in the basement. What are the chances that something's not living in there? I bet he's in there. Alright, so you can see these studs are actually part of the car floor. So that's going to be interesting for getting these in. I may have to nut and bolt those with some risers as opposed to using these, because these are going to have to get cut out in order to fix the chunkiness of the floor. All these body bolts out. You got a 12 or so of them, so we'll see. Loose is good. We'll take loose. Snapped is worse, but out is out. I feel like snapped is going to be the case. Some of them are coming out. Woohoo! These have been soaking for 2 months. Easy. Probably more. Let's go. Alright. So they use nut certs for everything. Alright, now we got to the bell housing. So this will make pulling the motor a lot easier. Now I can see all that. Should have done this in the first place. I can actually get to the drive shaft bolts and the bell housing bolts. So the motor coming out is in my future. Oh, that's interesting. It's a bolt and a stud into that transmission. Alright, so it looks like I can get to the side ones, but the top one and the bottom corner ones still don't want to. They don't have enough room for the socket to actually fit around the housing. It won't actually slide in to that gap. The socket wall is too thick to go through. This one was fine. Yeah, this one doesn't fit either. So it looks like, I remember the ones on the bottom, even though it was like a month ago, the ones on the bottom didn't fit either. So I may be back to pulling this as an assembly, which is pretty annoying. So I'll put this back in for now. Alright, well, maybe I'll pull the drive shaft. We'll go from there. Oh, good. It's spinning on the backside. This one's tight. Oh yeah. We got space. Oh yeah. It's out. We got it out. Here she is. There's your push to start button. Nice serial number there. Oil pressure. The front mounts. Camshaft or crankshaft here. There's a little service window here for the transmission. Not exactly sure what I'm going to find under that. Ground strap exhaust coming off this side. There she is. An exciting day. Motor's out. Love it. Seats are out. Also love that. So I'm going to get both of these down into the basement. Get the motor cleaned up out here. Get it on the motor stand. Get that in the basement. And we can start doing the overhaul over the winter. So you can see on the inside, like I said, we're going to have to go back and probably drill out a bunch of these. I'm going to have to do a lot of floor patching anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Seat rails came out fine. You can see the tunnel is nice and open. I'll have to start pulling all this at some point, but focus right now is going to be getting the motor good and seeing if we can resurrect these seats. So we didn't break anything else coming out. I'm very excited about that. You can see the tray down in there. Nice and simple. Cross member is still good. Drive shaft is still good. So we'll go from there.